The big price move after the Fed announcements yesterday brought the Dow well up above the T-line again, creating a J-hook type pattern, and today's trading was a doji. But this is a very common pattern in the sense that as we can see, the Dow stayed up above the T-line in a steady uptrend, consolidated back to the level, this is the top of the resistance level for the past few months, and then did a morning star signal at this level, which now tells us that the resistance level is now acting as support. The doji today has a very strong implication. One, if they trade it lower, they're coming back to the T-line and maybe fizzling out up here, double top. Or two, if they open up positive, doing a doji sandwich, the magnitude of this candle and the magnitude of this candle will be the same, which puts you right back up into the trajectory of what this uptrend has been doing. And the uptrend in the NASDAQ continued by this little booster, bullish engulfing type signal off the doji at the T-line, putting this back in the above the T-line in this upward trajectory. It becomes very important to know what's going on with the general market trend when you're trying to make some profits with candlestick signals. For example, one of our trade recommendations has been SCTY, Solar City Corporation. It started stopped the downtrend with a Morningstar signal right here at the 50. The next thing it had to do was break through this downtrending channel, which it did today with this big move to the upside. And also, the slow curve showed us that the 50-day moving average and the T-line were still acting as support levels. This breakout gives us new information. If this downtrending channel has been breached, now we have the possibility of another strong price move, the same magnitude as this move, that came off of this slow curve situation. The same is true for analyzing uptrending stocks like we've seen in DDD, wave 1, wave 2, right back to the 20, and now we're just about ready to use a T-line crunch. Notice how the T-line, they couldn't close it below the T-line, and this T-line keeps pushing the price right back up into this resistance level. Today we did a left-right combo, a little hammer signal yesterday, followed by a bullish engulfing signal today. If they open this positive, that tells us wave 3 is now in progress, which will have the same magnitude move as this. And our recommendation on XOMA today was based on the fact that we saw a little doji inverted hammer, bullish confirmation, close above the T-line, and then a J-hook type pattern setting up. Today, when it opened lower, very simple strategies for entry and exit strategies for candlesticks. If it opened lower, we wanted to be a buyer if it came back up through the previous day's close, because visually we can see the bulls are still in here, and if they brought it back up through this level, that would be further confirming this J-hook pattern. Now that we're at the breakout level, if it opens positive again, this type of price move is in the next prognosis. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.